hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed.
Hi everyone, I'm Holly and welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. Today I am going to show you 3 hairstyles for thick hair. Those of you out there with thick hair will know the struggles that we have, from it taking forever to dry to having to avoid certain hairstyles. For me, I find ponytails so heavy on my head, so today I'm going to show you 3 different hairstyles, all including braids, that are going to be super comfortable, get your hair out of your face, but most importantly, look really cool. Of course, you don't have to have thick hair to recreate these hairstyles. I think they look amazing on everyone, but if you do want to add some extra thickness and length into your hair, then don't forget that you can include your Luxy Hair extensions. I also have my own YouTube channel, which is at Hollie Hobin, so don't forget to check that out, and I'll leave a link in the description box below for you. So if you want to see how to braid your hair, then just keep on watching.
That's a fact. Phasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is not thinking real life, it might just have been a bad dream. That's a fact. Phasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is not thinking real life, it might just have been a bad dream. That's a fact. Phasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is not thinking real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on
tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed these 3 hairstyles that I showed you. If you do recreate them, or if you're wearing your Luxy Hair extensions, then don't forget to @Luxy Hair or #Luxy Hair, as we would love to see. And I would also love it if you headed over to my YouTube channel, which is @Hollie Hobin, and I hope that I'll see you guys over there. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye!